nice to meet you. I am Kagome-P. Yeah. I am overjoyed to be able to visit the States, where a mastering studio I admire, stirring sound is located, and to be able to talk to everyone nice here today. Since I'm not good with English memorization, please excuse me reading from my script. Sorry. Vocaloid music and video fans might know as me as the mastering engineer person, but I also create music as well. I especially favor using the elementary school Vocaloid, Kai Yuki, and Kagami-Rin, whom I used for the opening song for this event. For some reason, I tend to use Vocaloid that sound young, but I personally favor old women. This song with an amazing music video produced by Masataka P is themed around the driving culture in nightlife. Thank God it's Friday night. The clubbers gather at the venue's party to till sunrise, where the song was supposed to portray this. But when the song was finished, I heard that LA clubs stopped serving alcohol at 2 a.m. and usually close shop. And my reaction was, oh my god! Like the lyrics and the piece 11 to 5, Japanese clubs used to be open from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. So please interpret this love loosely as Japanese club culture. Now I did mention it used to be 11 to 5. Recently things have changed. Japanese clubs are now regulated strictly, and so now awesome nightlife is hard to find. By law, Japan allows dance venues to be open only until 1 a.m. And if clubs try to stay open to provide a place to dance past this hour, this is illegal. Therefore, there have been incidents of police crackdown for making the customers dance as an illegal act. This sounds like joke, but it's a major issue. The law is so confusing. As a result, the number of all-nighter clubs have diminished, and people now hold daytime parties. That's why I decided to take on a rock-style tune to appeal to this Japanese club scene situation. So, Japanese government, fuck you. Currently, I am a member of Vocaloid Markets, and I'm part of producing Vocaloid myself. As a first project, we released Yukari from AHS. She's a Vocaloid with a very sexy and grown-up sounding voice. She will soon be released country outside of Japan, and it's one of my favorites. So please do check her out if you're interested. Also, on YouTube, I've seen overseas users who have used Yukari and made her sound very human. When I first saw this, was amazed. The Vocaloids who was past of creating lived over many miles and oceans, and is now loved by those in northern countries. And this makes me very, very, very happy. I'm glad so many people were able to join me today. Apologies for my not so great English. And thank you all.
Woo!